A world without cocoa is a world without joy. But in the face of price volatility and supply scarcity, one of the world's favorite ingredients could be at risk. That's why we developed IFF CURE, our collection of core and uncommon replacements and extenders to help our customers navigate the cocoa crisis. Backed by a palette of specialty materials, uncommon techniques, and unparalleled applications expertise around the globe, we provide solutions for your products, no matter how complex the challenge. IFF CURE is more than a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy to help you thrive today while safeguarding tomorrow. From ensuring supply consistency to meeting changing regulatory requirements, we've got you covered. Guided by our industry-leading sensory insights, we offer a customized approach and complete recipe design for tailored, one-of-a-kind solutions for cocoa and beyond. Together, let's future-proof your products and preserve the quality and beloved taste your consumers expect. IFF CURE, more than a remedy.